Hey guys, it's me, I'm back on Asian, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial video on how to make an easy paper masquerade mask for parties and stuff. So I picked a really cool design from Google, and today I'm going to be trying to replicate it using these two papers. We're mostly going to be using this small piece of black A4. Other than that, a little bit of white as well. So before we start, let's trace a cool little design in here. So it's something like that. And then our nose will be somewhere there. So that'll be our mask. Kind of looks like an eye mask for the time being. We'll fix that soon enough. Alright, now next up we need the eyes. So the eyes will be somewhere here. Just like that. Okay, so I cut out the basic shape of our mask, and I'd recommend you guys do this as well real quick. So next up we have got to do the nose. I don't know if I should make a 3D one or if this is fine. I think I'll stick with this. Alright, so next we need to add the designs. The plan was to make a 3D nose, so let's just do that. Why be lazy, right? No point in being lazy. How big do I want it though? That's the question. I don't have enough material to make a big nose. I think this is enough. So let's quickly cut out the nose. I think that's big enough, so let's stick it in there. Before that, let's do the designs. First, we'll use some white to make the base layer. So the base layer is going to be all across there and there and there. So I'll stick the white A4 real quick. Alright, so here's the main part of the mask, and here's the white part of the mask. So we're going to attach these first before we add the golden stuff. So yeah, just glue it together like that. I think I'll just tape it because that's much simpler. Alright, and on the other side as well. This one's tricky because I can't always figure out where the nose is. It's probably something like this. So let's stick with that. like that. Then we'll add our trusty little nose. That alone does not look that bad, but we can make it even better with our glitter paper. So just to show you guys how the details, I mean the designs are gonna be, I've already sort of drawn out this. Now this will be the design for our wait, I always get confused which one's which. This one is for that side, so this one's like this. Alright. So I just need to do some more detail work right down there. Like that. And now I need to cut these pieces out. And I'll see you guys when that's done. But actually before that, let's turn this thing a bit 3D. By folding it around the cheek area. And that's it. No more folds required. Alright, so I ended up cutting them out as well. Here it is. So I need to stick these things onto the mask itself now, and I'm quite excited to see how it turns out. So first things first, let's go through the satisfying part of it all. That is building this thing. It's not that satisfying, because I'm worried I might tear it. It was quite a pain in the bum to get this cut out, because first of all it took a long time, then second of all the glitter, man, the glitter gets everywhere. It's like I just had to throw a whole bunch out to get this clean. Alright, so we've got this done. So let's stick it onto our thingy without any further ado. I'm quite scared, I don't know how to do this. Is this it? I'm not so sure, I don't know. I think this is it. Yep, that's it. Okay, there is one side done. Now this side shouldn't be that hard because the eyes perfectly line up, so yeah, but there's a lot of tiny little designs that I'm worried I might just tear them off or something. Okay, slow and steady. Great, ran into a problem already. The paper is tearing off on its own. One's right there. Two. Alright, done. Now let's stick them together. Oops, that's not correct. That's definitely not correct. Okay, let me tear this one off and redo it. Alright, now that's better. That's much better. Let's use a small piece of glitter paper to cover that small misalignment. No one will notice, I hope. There it is. So that's my masquerade mask attempt. I think it looks fairly decent. Let's put a white cover underneath. So there's the eyes, there's everything you need to look cool at a masquerade party. So that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next, my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.